Someone sent you a docs file and Word won't open it? 9 times out of 10, this is just a misnamed Word document with a simple fix. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you figure out whether this is a typo and get your document open in seconds. A quick heads up, I've saved my most powerful DOX troubleshooting step, a tech-only workaround, for after we've gone through the user-friendly methods. Here's a quick preview. DOX files are most commonly Microsoft Word documents that have been saved or renamed with an incorrect DOX extension instead of the proper DOX or DOC extension. They typically contain the same formatted text, images, tables, and embedded objects as standard Word documents, but fail to open due to the unrecognized file extension. DOX files are most commonly Microsoft Word documents that have been saved or renamed with an incorrect DOX extension instead of the proper DOX or DOC extension. They typically contain the same formatted texts, images, tables, and embedded objects as standard Word documents, but fail to open due to the unrecognized file extension. The proper file association links DOX directly to the Microsoft Word solution by Microsoft Corporation. The file's embedded objects and layers require specialized software for full access. Windows may show the file structure, but advanced editing needs compatible software. To resolve the incompatible file format error, right-click the DOX file and choose Open With. Prioritize Microsoft Word if available. If absent, choose another application. We are searching for the correct file claim. Since the file is so resistant, we need to turn to direct testing. Follow this list and test these failure points to see where the problem originates. First, renaming to DOCX. Right-click the DOX file and select Rename. Change the extension from DOX to DOCX and confirm the change. Double-click the rename file and Microsoft Word should open it normally. If the document appears corrupted, try DOC instead, as the file may use the older Word binary format rather than the modern XML-based DOCX format. Next, opening directly in Word. Launch Microsoft Word and use File, then Open. Set the file type filter to All Files and select the DOX file. Word attempts to detect the actual format, regardless of extension, and opens the document if it recognizes the internal structure. This approach works without renaming the file on disk. Finally, checking actual file format. If renaming does not work, open the DOX file in a hex editor to check the file signature. PK at the start indicates a zip-based DOCX file, while D0CF11 indicates an older DOC format. If neither signature matches the file, may genuinely be a different format, requiring identification through its binary header bytes. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. To help resolve this, you might consider a tool with autonomous file reading capability that is designed to look past the extension name and inspect the internal data structure directly. Takeaway: the inability of Windows and 7-Zip to open the file suggests a unique format signature. FileMagick is the comprehensive solution built to handle these exceptions. Find it at FileMagick. Tell me the status of your file in the comments. Hit the subscription button if you want faster solutions in the future.